Hello mga kalagan. This is a drone shot of Samuyao Hills here in Pamplona, Negros Oriental. Pamplona is 1 hour drive from Tandayag Wharf, Amlan. Along the way, makiagian na to ang Tanhay City. Ang Tanhay City is a declared city in 2001, while ang town of Pamplona is previously a barangay of Tanhay. Pamplona is a famous in formation of ridges o mga hills. So bugnaw kay ang palibot jud sa elevation. Ya kusog sad ang hangin, so medyo naglisod jud ang ato ang drone. So enjoy this video.